Okay, the next thing we need to do is to copy this code. So we'll click and drag to the red crab, and
we should click and drag to the other purple crab.
Yes. Now we will organize the things over here. We will use the when go button.
Clicked.
Yes. Inside forever we will put
if then.
Okay, great. And now we'll say change x by how much we should put?
-2.
-2. Okay, let's click -2. Very good. We will go to the operators category and we will check if the x position is less than certain number. In this case we will choose x position, is it less than -240? Negative 240, yes. What will happen then? We use set x to
240.
Good job. Okay, now we'll move to the other part of the code over here. We will say go to specific coordinate at the beginning 240 and y will be -175. Now we want to hide the crab at the beginning, so we will start with a hide and then later on we will say show. Okay, then what do we choose?
Put forever,
repeat 10 times and
change
y
by
3. Okay, and then we will add small weight block here 0.1. What we want to do here, we will copy this 3 times because we want to make our crab moving up and down.
Yes.
Good. Now for this moment
we'll put
weight 0.2. Okay, that's fine. And we will copy all 3 blocks over here. We'll put them below. But there is one thing we need to change. Instead of 3, we need to put what? -3. Okay, and this block at the end we don't need. We will just delete. Great. Super. Let's see if the red crab is moving up and down. It's moving.
It's working.
Perfect. Very good. Now let's move to the purple crab. We will say go to specific coordinate at the beginning of the program 245 and y will be -45. Okay, good.
Yes.
Now we'll say again at the beginning we need to hide our sprite,
and then later on the sprite will show.
Bravo, very good. Good. Now again we use forever and inside we will use turn anti-clockwise or counterclockwise 15 degrees. It means the sprite, the crab will move in the circle. Very good. Okay, and now when we are done with this one, we will just click and drag this part of the block to copy, and we will change the number from -2 to -1. Let's test now.
Green one is moving sideways, red one is moving up and down, and purple one is moving round and round.
Great. Now we will make a new variable. We will call it HP. What does it HP stands for?
It stands for health points, and Ro-Byte has 5 health points.
Good. So what we will do now here, we will go to set up our variable HP to 5 health points. How we'll do that? We will drag set HP to number 5. Okay, and we will use our forever and if block, and we will say every time in the future if we want to change here the health points to have more than 5, this is not possible. If we get some extra health points, the maximum will always be 5. So how we will do that? We will say if the health points, the variable health points, is bigger than 5, okay, then we will set up the health points to number 5. So always health points, the maximum is 5.
So no, if Ro-Byte collects more than 5 health points, the health points will always come back to number 5.
Exactly. Now we will choose this heart, sprite heart, and we want to show every time that sprite is hurt, it will lose some health points, and we want to use this heart for this one. Okay, first we need to duplicate the costume, and we will change one sprite or one heart will be red, and the other one will be what color, Sophia? What do you think? Maybe we can choose
white.
White. Okay, great. So we'll have the same sprite, two different custom. I will change this one to red outline, and now I will change the size to 15, and we will put it in the top left corner. Now we need how many of these hearts?
5.
5. Okay, so what we will do, we will right click and we will duplicate this heart. Right click, duplicate, and we'll repeat 5 times this. Very good. And we can see them here in the top left corner. We have 5 hearts. Okay, very good. Let's change them quickly, all color to red. Perfect. And we will start programming them.
When green flag clicked,
We'll choose show.
And then forever.
Inside we will add
If then else.
Good. So we will say we need health points, and we want to say if health points are less than 5, then what will show? It will go on the looks, and we will change a costume for the sprite. Okay, and we will say go to red costume or white costume. Now we will change here the text not to be red but to be white. Heart white. It will be easier for us. Click and drag, switch costume to white. We will duplicate it and we will say else change it to red. Okay, so what will happen here? If this health points are less than 5, it will switch to immediately to the white, else or otherwise it will be switched to the red color. Okay, now we will do this same thing for rest of the hearts. So what we need to do, Sophia?
We need to click and drag.
Good, and we will click and drag to all of them very quickly. This is a fast way to copy and paste our code. Perfect. Now we can see, and we need to change here instead of number 5, number 4. This one, number 3.
Number 2. And
Wait, and number 2 and
number 1.
Number 1. Perfect.